Buset, air putih enak banget rasanya. Hai guys, temenin aku makan. Gimana Jumat? Gimana tadi Jumatannya? Tadi aku Jumatannya nggak tahu rame sih. Rame sih, penuh. Tapi kayak biasanya lebih rame daripada itu. Mungkin yang lain udah mulai liburan, terus udah pada mulai pulang kampung kali ya. Ini aku makan ayam. Ayam apa ini? Ayam nugget kali ya. Mat makan. Guys. Wait. Jadi gini guys, kamu Fron, sebenarnya aku tuh kan lagi banyak tugas ya. Sebenarnya nggak banyak sih, tugas aku ada 2. Dan besok minggu depan tuh aku 2 mata kuliah kuis. Tapi ada satu tugas yang dimana aku disuruh bikin video ngerangkum dari pertemuan pertama sampai ke 6. Jadi ada 6 materi yang harus aku rangkum. Terus aku harus bikin video gitu. Terus harus bikin PPT-nya dan harus bikin video minimal 5 menit. Aku bingung harus mulai dari mana. Karena sebenarnya kalau misalnya Sabtu Minggunya libur aku pasti ngerjain sih. Cuman bro, I don't even know where to start. How am I managing it? Ini kan cek deh. Oke, ini kayaknya pertemuan pertama deh. Pokoknya jadi karena aku harus ngejelasin 6 materi yang waktu itu dipelajarin dari 6 pertemuan. Jadi yang pertama itu aku materinya adalah introduction to PR. Terus nature of PR. And PR ethics. And what is public? Terus aku harus ngejelasin STP, SWOT, sama staple. Terus sama statutory law and code of conduct. Udah itu doang sih sebenarnya. Oh my god, it's not that bad guys, it's not that bad, please. Oke, bisa. Yang penting sebenarnya karena aku disuruh bikin PPT juga, thank you Kak Tel. Karena aku disuruh bikin PPT juga, kayak PPT-nya aku bakal cuman kasih intinya aja apa yang aku mau bahas. Misalnya kayak introduction to PR. Nanti aku kayak jelasin si PPT-nya bakal cuman tulisannya introduction. Terus aku yang jelasin. Soalnya PPT tuh sebenarnya nggak perlu ada isinya kan, yang penting how we delivered it. Jadi yang penting nanti kita ngomongnya bener, ya nggak sih? Aku tim PPT simple, yang penting nanti pembahasannya ada bobotnya, ya kan? Oke, kita bahas dari materi pertama. Enggak sih, masalahnya adalah sebenarnya ini masih minggu depan kumpulinnya, masih nanti hari Rabu. But I don't know why I'm stressing it out, girl. Aku ngerti sih kenapa aku diambil pusing. Karena kita lagi persiapan konser kan, dan persiapan konsernya ini karena semakin dekat itu semakin gila guys. Aku bisa gila guys, literally aku bisa kayak it's okay. Aku bakal terus dulu. Yang penting adalah sekarang aku mau catat nanti aku akan bahas apa. Terus nanti PPT-nya aku bikin. Ya nggak sih? Nyuap lagi. Tadi tuh aku mau bawa tablet, cuman males. Kayak berat, guys. Tablet tuh berat, guys. Aku suka biji-bijian. Aku harus buka. What do you mean? Aku harus buka PPT yang dikirim dari dosennya. Rangkum dulu. Lama nggak ketemu. Nanti aku ini loh, off air loh, udah tuh nggak? Nanti sih, tanggal 24. Tapi kan aku ini, kan kita nonton konser nggak? Kenapa website-nya nggak bisa dibuka, gengs? What do you mean, brother? Wait. Brother. What you mean, brother? Okay. Oke. Besok ada show loh. Oke, kita ganti matkul dulu ke PR, Principles of Public Relation. And I need e-library, konten. Hari ini libur jadi bisa nyantai di sekolah. Hah? Kok libur? Kalau libur kenapa nyantai di sekolah? Kalau libur kenapa nggak nyantai di rumah aja? Kenapa harus nyantai di sekolah? Ambil play musik ya. Ini Kak Jackie. This year I listen to 2000 menit of music and 43 artists total. I listen to Daniel Caesar 1900 menit. Each month brought a new memory, and these artists were by your side. Top artist by month, Daniel Caesar semua. Enggak sih. Daniel Caesar were top artist for 4 months in a row. 138. Kan Moon highlightnya 2000 menit 1800 kayaknya. 5 album moved into your rotation atau Beauty Essex, terus kayak Cinta. Top albumnya Son of Spurgie. First playnya 4 October. How did each genre stack? This genre ruled R&B and soul. Yes. Losing my head over you. And I'll be here, 'cause we both know how it goes. I don't want things to change. Pray they stay the same always. Okay, that's it. Close. Guys, aku perlu charger. Wah itu. I don't care. Always count on you as true and good. Who hurt you? Up on the road, change my opinions, change my flows, change my approach. Nggak bisa ya ini. It rains, it pours. You make me feel so proud. Kenapa dosen suka ngasih tugas PPT? I don't know, brother. Just a minute. I love it when you move like that. Kecil banget dah PPT-nya. Oke, introduction to PR ya. Tadi aku ada ininya sih. Oke, kita mulai dari pertemuan yang pertama adalah the difference between PR and communication. Thank you Kak Ubin. And PR. PR is both of them is a process. Who's studying too with me? Guys, ini adalah waktunya kita untuk menjadi produktif bersama. Cause lately I've been procrastinating. Sebenarnya tugasnya adalah dari hari Rabu guys. Nggak selama itu. Aku ngerasa waktu kayak jalan begitu lama. Tapi due date kayak sebentar lagi gitu loh. Jadi aku terusnya kayak nggak tenang gitu loh. Violence is violence twice. Thank you Kak Raffi. Steps that has to be taken in order step that has to be taken that has to be in order to achieve a goal. Apalagi tadi awareness, attitude, and action. Aku perlu kasih foto encoding ini. Okay. Communication process is built in the field of experience. How do I say that? Gimana ya nanti ngomongnya ya? Element of communication process. Oke. Penting. Thank you Kak Irfan. there is some element of communication process gitu. Okay. Oh, here is some element of communication process. Here are dong. Here. Here are the elements of communication. That's wild, brother. Terus aku harus kasih foto field of experience. Sorry, my bad. Add the example photo. Oke, pokoknya nanti ada sender. What is sender? Jadi di field of communication process, the element of communication process itu ada sender. Sender can be an individual, group, or organizations who initiates the communication. Receiver, individual or group of people who is targeted of them, or who is the target of the message. Message can be an idea, concept, emotion, feelings, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Encoding is when the sender attempts to replicate his or her internal thoughts or feelings into some kind of external message medium. Bisa nggak di ini channel medium? Okay. Feedback, decoding. Okay, sama ada noise. Okay, intinya adalah sender is the person who initiates the communications. Receiver is someone who is targeted to receive the message. The message is an idea, concept, or emotions that the sender wants to give to the receiver. Encoding is the attempts by the sender to send the idea to the receiver. Channel is the medium through communication. It could be by social media. I don't even know. Medium. Oh, it's the medium through which communication is transmitted. Okay, the channel is the medium through which communication is transmitted. Can be online, like Zoom meeting or something else, or can be langsung tuh apa bahasa Inggris ya? Can be what? Kenapa nggak ditulis? Karena ini adalah proses thoughts. Nanti aku tulisnya. Soalnya kayak nggak perlu ditulis, nanti harus dihafal, harus direct. Okay. Can be direct or indirect. Okay. Wow, jangan masuk ke nasi. Can be direct or indirect. Tapi nggak mungkin indirect. Direct or I don't know. Feedback is the response given by the receiver to the sender of the message. Decoding is the process of how the receiver process where the message is interpreted by the receiver. Noise is certain barriers. No, how do I explain noise? Noise is gangguan. Campur aja lah bahasa Indonesia. Okay, let's just do there is 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sender, receiver, my bad. Receiver, message. Thank you, Kak Erin. Encoding. Uno, dos, tres, cuarto. Channel. Fumian channel. Feedback. Feedback, decoding, and noise. Nanti jelasin satu S P C. Singkat, padat, and jelas. Karena waktunya cuman 10 menit, maksimal 10 menit. Okay, I still have to make. Okay, PowerPoint-nya I could do it, girl. You can do it. It's gonna be okay. You've had too many years of waiting. I know you're not coming to the life that we wanted. What if it cut short with the fires I've started? Noise is a disturbance. Thank you. Who said that? Thank you, Kasenja. Okay, noted. Noise equal disturbance. No. Okay. Still inside your memory. What if we marry? What if you believe in God, this world, and hell, and all the things that this could be? Gak penting. Okay, ini penting. The simple purpose of PR. To create an understanding. Okay guys, I want to be productive today, please. Crossing fingers. Kayak I don't need to finish this today. Sebenarnya aku dapat tugasnya ini hari Rabu, which is 2 hari yang lalu. Tapi menurut aku di otak aku kayak ini it's been a long time. Terus aku tuh kayak di otak aku ini tuh aku udah dikasih tugasnya dari lama banget, makanya aku kayak panik sendiri gitu loh. Dan selesainya tuh sebenarnya minggu depan, masih lama. Cuman aku dari kemarin kayak udah pusing. Guys, aku sampai lupa hari. Kemarin tuh aku kayak pusing banget. Gila, jadwal aku kayak aku nggak ngerti, aku pusing sendiri. Padahal kayak ya udah chill aja. Enggak sih, ini karena aku tuh this is my bad habit. Aku kadang suka kelabakan sendiri. Padahal biasanya aku ngerjainnya kayak bodo amat, kayak santai. That's not a good thing sih. Jadi kadang aku ngerasa itu yang bikin aku jadi males ngerjain. Lah, hanya baru mulai. Tiba-tiba PPT-nya udah ngejelasin panjang, ternyata the definitions of public relations. Wanna be in love again. Oke, aku tulis summary-nya dulu ya, baru aku ngejelasin tentang DPR tuh kan banyak macam-macamnya. DPR tuh tiba-tiba kayak dibagi-bagi gitu loh. PR ada tiba-tiba kayak ada connection between public relation, marketing, and advertising. Terus nanti ada penjelasan marketing sama advertising. Terus ada public relation, advertising, sales, promotion, sama selling becomes promotional mix or integrated campaign. Okay. Aku bikin summary dulu. Oh, nggak apa-apa sih ngejelasin sampai advertising, tapi pas udah promotional mix-nya aku agak mager ya. Perlu nggak ya aku jelasin? Apa langsung kayak? Soalnya kan aku nanti disuruh bikin video. Videonya itu has to be maksimal itu 10 menit. Kalau misalnya aku ngebahas semuanya, ini baru 1 materi, masih ada 5 materi lain berarti. Muat gak ya? Kayaknya muat sih. Muat gak ya? Capek, jangan dulu. Let's just say promotional mix is all of them 3 above mix gitu aja lah ya. Nanti lebarnya summernya tetap harus di bawah sih. Oke, tetap summernya harus terakhir. Kita harus ngejelasin advertising bla 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 bla. Definition. I don't understand. What do you mean 2 stages? Jangan dibawa stres. VR can be divine, can be divided, divine, or can be divine as 2 stages. Can be divine, can be divine as 2 stages. The first stage is public relations. Stage 1. Oh, berarti ini aja. Stage 1. Public relation is about reputation. Okay. It is more about reputations, like what you do, what you say. Singkat aja, WYD, WYS, and what other things, and what others think of you. Stage 2, PR practice. Stage 2.
Guess I got what I prayed for. Now you're in my bed. I guess we look good on paper. Thoughts run through my head.
I know you think about me wrapped around your fingers, and I said Actually, I don't know about PR. I don't know how to feel about PR. Like, I like it, but at the same time, I'm confused. That's how I feel about PR. I'm confused. I'm confused. You're confused. I'm confused. Well, enggak hujan.
I know you think you got me wrapped around your finger, and what's behind those golden eyes, a light fingers.
Is it actually that far? Oh. Jangan ngeluh ya. Ih, ngajak ribut. I don't think that's a good thing to say to other people, nggak sih? Mengeluh boleh, tapi kerjain aja, nggak apa-apa. Boleh kok ngeluh, boleh banget malahan. Sini aku paling aku nggak benci, aku kayak kesel kalau misalnya don't say that to other people, kayak that's kind of rude. That's rude, Kak Alan, saying jangan mengeluh. I have bad taste with that. Pukul. Yeah, you need to get beat up. Alright, it's okay to mengeluh, guys. Gak apa kok. Actually, mengeluh keeps us going. Makanya aku kesel kalau sama orang yang ngomong kayak jangan ngeluh. It's okay untuk mengeluh, tapi you have to still do it. You have to do your work. lanjut, sekarang kita bahas tentang marketing.
Wanna see me broken, dummy? Honestly, it kinda hurts.
Thank you Kak Erin. Kenapa ya? Brother. Thank you so much.
I'm just a man with needs. I take flights when I learn it's time to go. Tryna take time back, crossing timing zones. Come press your lips upon me. LSD got me feeling empathy. Mafia out to mind chemically. Cause we suffer endlessly. Could be kamikaze. Only time will tell. Even though I'm godly, might end up in hell. Sweet melody.
How do you say it?
Rich dark chocolate, sweet melanin. Forevermore, you gon' be my king. Whatever jaws binding, let no man enter unrequited. The thought of you gets me excited. I guess I'll come to your crib uninvited. A few of your favorite vices, girl, I know you like it. Girl, you came through like me. You light of my life, you like me. Then it be good, that's unlikely. But drop you coming down, yeah. Turn my life around, yeah. Sweet melody. Wind up your body,
Menurut kalian, what is the connection between PR and marketing and advertising?
chocolate, sweet melanin. Forevermore, you gon' be my king. Whatever jaws binding, let no man enter in.
Kayaknya aku brilliant.
Oh, you got power, superpowers. Do you even know how to wield them? All God's children are special, but not like you. No, not like you. You're just like a flower. You're ever giving. That's a given. All God's children. All God's children. I'm special, not like you. No, not like you. Lift your head to the
Singkat saja.
It's crazy to say this, but you're the greatest. Can't explain it. I know that you know the truth. They can't deny you. Yeah, they can't deny you. It's true. Yeah, remember Vegas. You've come a long way, kid. And let me just say you're the main character now. You're the main character now. Lift your head to the
How do you sponge?
Sweet Emily, my bride to be, just how long will you stand next to me? For we both know it's more than a load for you to bear.
Brother.
It breaks my heart, but I'd understand if you'd leave me for another man with a little less on his mind, less on his plate, less in his brain. Please do not lean on me, I'm unstable. You're all you need, I've seen it, you're able. Please do not lean on me, I'm unstable. You're all you need, I've seen it, you're able. Sex in the air, I'm deep in despair. Could you please act like you're unaware? But we both know I'm just a dog chasing his bone. Please understand, I'm just a man that's nearly figured out his master plan. Just stick around and you gon' see worth every pound. Please do not lean on me, I'm unstable. You're all you need, I've seen it, you're able. Please do not lean on me, I'm unstable. You're all you need, I've seen it, you're able. The more that we both try to fight it, the harder it's gonna be. I wish that we could stand united instead of crumbling. I know that you gon' always love me in spite of things you've seen, in spite of things you've heard me say.
Oke, udahlah gitu aja.
I love you. the sky, staring back at me. Flying the sky, staring back at me.
And do you know kenapa influence itu namanya influence? Soalnya kalian tahu nggak kenapa di dalam kata influence ada kata flu? Karena kayak penyakit flu itu kan dia kayak virus gitu ya, menyebar. So jadi influence itu harus menyebar. Nggak penting, nggak jelas kasih taunya. We're not talking about virality, we're talking about influence. Aku bosnya masih lama kok. Kita mau libur. Aku mau libur. Social. Yo, that's actually. and and it's public interest. Materi 1 selesai. Sekarang ke materi K.
Probably be a waste of your time.
Pertemuan kedua is about the nature. Guys, I think I need my time
So
to
what's the price? We're like mosquitoes to light in the sun.
kakak-kakak jangan lupa beli birthday t-shirt Icel. Jangan lupa guys. Nanti PO-nya gak lama-lama loh. Siapa yang udah check out jangan lupa di pre-order ya. Aku mau ngelanjutin tugas aku dulu ya. Bye bye. Thank you. Aku baca top gifter dulu. Oke, nomor 10 ada Kak Aibi, 9 ada Kak Alvin, 8 ada Kak Biji-bijian, 7 ada Kak Ceki, 6 ada Kak Akbar Tawakal, 5 ada Kak Raffi, nomor 4 ada Kak Alan, nomor 3 ada Kak Wisnu, 2 ada Kak Irfan, dan nomor 1 ada Kak Airin. Thank you guys. Kita lanjut lagi tugasnya. Sebelum aku lanjut kegiatan yang lain, aku ada banyak kegiatan hari ini.